Hey guys, I'm B-Boy, a kid artist, and here are 5 tips of making good character design. Every artist needs a character, an original character, of course. Okay, some artists do characters that are not their ideas, but you need an original character, just like this guy. I have made a lot of original characters through the years. My brother made these 2 characters in an original character contest. More characters there is in here in the sketchbook. This is the first character ever. So let's start with the 5 tips of making good character design. Number 1, the shapes. Okay, there are 3 types of shapes that represent characters. For example, the circle, who's someone that is playful, say friendly and stuff. For example, wow, 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 wow. That's it. Yeah, and all these other 3 characters. Square represents stubbornness, maybe, or some sort of like that. But we don't have lazy characters in this. But we'll make new one at the end. Okay, I will teach you how to make characters. It's a tutorial. Triangle, someone who's dangerous. Villain, see, he's like a triangular shape, just like this. He has claws. Yeah, the tail is so sharp. Who's fast? Yeah, that's my brother's character. He's OC, he's fast. And I made a new villain who is triangular also. See, just like this one, but it's upside down. The second tip is good colors, of course. This is a good character. This is a good character. This is a good character design. Ew, what the heck is this character design? Yeah, the colors they don't make sense. Okay, if you're finding a color for character design, make it just like this. Okay, it need to make more sense. But that's it. Number 3, drawing it real well. Okay, just like this drawing, I've drawn this character kind of cool with a hat. I love cartoons because I'm a cartoonist. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you draw real good. Okay, I'll post a video about a drawing tutorial. That's number 3, I guess. Draw lines correctly. Just like all my other characters. You had to draw. You had to take time drawing all of them, planning who they are, and that is it. Number 4 is description, just like B-Boy. Okay, a young dino that is friendly and happy. He is good at art, and warrior and rapper of the village. Oh, he's a warrior and rapper. Now I know him. You had to come up with different descriptions for your characters, give them cool stories and stuff, just like that. And this guy will have a description next time. Number 5 is their purpose. Okay, he is a warrior rapper artist. He is a guy who uses a bow. He's a climber of a tall mountain. B-Boy's friend, a king, a villain, a new villain. Okay, that's what their purpose is. So good. So that's how you make good character design. Okay, now let's go to the important part. Let's draw our new character that is square design. So let's first draw a square. So that the eyes. Yeah. He's some sort of squarish creature. Let's give him hair just like that. Give him some sort of... Yeah, he looks like SpongeBob, but he's not SpongeBob. Okay, give him 2 little Like this. He's some sort of dragon guy. So let's just call him Mr. Squarehead. The lazy dragon. Goodbye. Subscribe. Because we're trying to get 1,000 subscribers before January 31, 2024. Please subscribe, guys, please.